Which PR pathway is best for teachers? Let's break down visas 189, 190, and 491, step by step. First, every teacher aiming for PR must pass the AITSL skills assessment. This process verifies your qualifications and teaching experience. You'll need to meet strict English test requirements. Most visas require a minimum IELTS score of 7 in each band or equivalent. Australia's skilled visas use a point system. Points are awarded for age, qualifications, teaching experience, and English proficiency. Let's break down the three main PR pathways. 189 skilled independent, 190 state-nominated, and 491 regional visas. The 189 visa is points-tested and doesn't need employer or state sponsorship. If you score high enough, you can apply independently. The 190 visa requires state nomination. Teachers must meet specific state or territory criteria and commit to living there after approval. The 491 visa targets regional areas. Successful applicants must live and work in a designated region for at least 3 years before applying for PR. State nomination criteria vary. States look for subjects in shortage, strong English skills, and a demonstrated commitment to regional areas. To qualify for these visas, teachers need at least 65 points. More points increase your chances for selection or invitation. Eligible teaching roles include early childhood, primary, secondary, and special education. All must have AITSL assessments approved. Getting your AITSL skills assessment is essential. Without it, none of these PR pathways can move forward for teachers. Each visa pathway has unique requirements and benefits. Consider your eligibility, career goals, and preferred locations when deciding. With correct planning, your path to living and teaching in Australia can start today. Which pathway seems right for you?